Hello everyone, let us see how to use these AirPods or any Bluetooth headset as a mic to record your YouTube video. Step 1 is you need to install an application. Let us go to App Store and search for video recorder. Now go to Pro Movie Recorder. So I have already installed this. Let us open this app. So this is open now. So now guys, you need to go to the icon in here, that is a mic icon. Okay, so afterwards there are two options. One is iPhone microphone and second one is Bluetooth mic. So now at this time you need to connect your AirPods. So my AirPod now, as you can see, the AirPod is automatically connected. Bluetooth mic Mr. Singh's AirPods. So guys, if the option for Bluetooth mic is not automatically activated, you can click on this option to activate it manually. And afterwards, you are going to hear your own voice because your AirPods are going to work both as mic and speakers. So you need to down your volume, speaker volume. How? So click here and get down your volume. If the volume is more, get down the volume. Okay, so that's it guys. Now you can record your videos. So let us give it a try. So I'm recording a sample video. So this is just a sample video for you guys. So let us stop the recording now and let us see the recording. Yeah, this is the recording in here. So this is just a sample video for you guys. So let us stop the recording. So guys, in the recorded video you must have seen that watermark of the Pro recorder, PM recorder. So if you want to remove that watermark, you can either buy that particular software or you can also use any kind of video editor to remove that. And finally, there is one more tip. With that software you can also use any wired mic, just like I have this Boya, I don't know the model, this Boya wired mic. And if you want to use these kind of mics, you have to purchase lightning to 3.5 mm adapter to use it with the iPhone. So thanks for watching guys, and have a good day.